Hi, welcome to Teacher Tidbit number 2. Many teachers are interested in project-based learning. Now, this may sound like a daunting task at first. However, once you start implementing projects in your classroom, you and your students will love it. I give an entire workshop about project-based learning, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview on how to get started. There are 4 steps in beginning to plan your project. Step number 1 is to pick a topic. This topic could be about explorers, community service workers, or the 13 colonies. It could really be about any topic that you need to teach in the classroom. Step number 2 would be to find the standards. Gather the standards for your topic. You could also use different standards in different content areas. For example, let's say you're having students write a paper. Well, you can include writing standards in this project as well. The nice thing about projects is that you can hit many different standards at one time. Step number 3 is to create the rubric. Before you actually create the project components, you want to create the final rubric. This just helps give you a focus for when you create the project components. And step number 4 is to create the project. Now you would include the components of your project. You could provide choices for your students or assign them specific tasks. For example, you can have students write a paper or create a PowerPoint or build a diagram. You could really be creative in this section of the planning process. Just make sure that it's balanced for your students. You don't want too many writing assignments or too many art activities. As I mentioned before, there are a lot of components that go into project-based learning. So if you want to know more, please email me at nancy@curriculumresources.net. I also have a project-based learning template on my website to help you get started. I included the link below. Thanks for tuning in.